In this video, you'll be learning how to enable auto approval for posts in a Facebook group. Just before we get straight into it, if you are new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and also turning on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. And if you find this video helpful, do also give us a thumbs up. With this being said, let's go straight into the video. Let's head straight for the Facebook app, and you want to use the profile picture to the top right hand corner, and you want to navigate to where it says groups. Click on groups. Now you need to note that the group you will be turning on or enabling auto approval for posts has to be one of the group you manage. So I'll be clicking on one of the groups I manage, then click on where it says manage over here, manage, and you want to scroll down to where it says group settings. Click on group settings, and it takes you to where you find other interface, and in this interface you want to go straight to where it says manage discussion. As you can see, under manage discussion we have post approval, anonymous participation, approve edits, and so on and so forth. So what we want to adjust here is the approval of posts, auto approval of posts. So you want to click on post approval, and you can see you have all posts, anonymous post only, and I have it on off. So you want to change that to all posts. When you click on that, then you save it. So basically that is how it works. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. Bye for now. Look forward to seeing other videos.